Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can share any YouTube video link on your Instagram story. So it's very easy, just be with me. First of all, go to YouTube and you want to share a YouTube video. I want to share Ali Abdal's YouTube video to my YouTube channel. Like I will go to Ali Abdal and I want to share this video link to my Instagram story. So I will click on the three button here and go to share and go to copy link and go to Instagram. So this is my Instagram and I'll go to my story and go to allow. Don't allow camera. Go to camera. You can select anything, like you can let me click a picture. Yes, I have clicked a black picture, and now I will go to the top right corner and go to the three button. Sorry, go to that smiley emoji here and go to that link here. You can see that after below templates there is link. Click on there and paste the link. Okay, you can paste the link here and just click on done, and you can just easily post the story in your YouTube channel, in your Instagram story. So this is the process through which you can easily share your YouTube video link to Instagram story. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel and do let us know what kind of video you like from us. Thank you.